Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2024 Ford F-150 STX. Coming in this nice Atlas blue coloring. This vehicle is powered by a 2.7 liter EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and taking a look at the back here, we do have rear park sensing, that tow hitch, backup camera of course, mud flaps on the rear, as well as the front. We do have blind spot detection, some nice lime green accents, and moving to the front we do have two tow hooks, license plate bracket, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably, and we do have this nice STX Cloth, black cloth with some lime green accents, plenty of door space. We do have 2 cup holders there, a 12 volt and 2 USB-Cs just right there. And if you need more space, you can always lift up the seats for additional room. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here that the seats are manual with the same cloth we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space. Your parking brakes right there, and your lights are just right there. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 7.3 kilometers. We do have a nice vinyl up steering wheel. You have your main screen controls for that, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Now looking at your main screen here, you do have My View, trip and fuel, gauges, off-road, towing, status, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. Continue your look here, you have a fair bit of storage, nice little pen slot, cup holders, storage here with the USB and USB-C. You do have your rear locking differential, drive modes, 4-wheel drive, trailer disconnect, you have your climate control, 12 volt, 2 USB-Cs. We do have a nice leather up center console with a fair bit of storage there. You have your auto stop, auto start, backup camera of course, hazards and traction, with some storage above as well. For your drive modes you do get normal, slippery, off-road, tow and haul, eco, and sport. Continue our look over here, you have your audio, which has Sirius XM capabilities, your phone, navigation so you don't get lost, your fave app, which you can select from here, apps in general, such as your Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, or any app you've downloaded, settings, such as your Sirius XM, and so on and so forth, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is KD35042, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.